It's a great day here at APQS because we get to call the winner of the great APQS long arm giveaway. I've got Pam Coppola, our APQS dealer from Time Flies Quilting Studio up in Negaunee, Upper Peninsula, Michigan, to help me call our lucky winner. We're going to give her a phone call now, and hopefully she's going to be home so we can break the great news to her. Let's give it a shot. Put it on speaker so you all can hear.
Hello.
Hi, is this Georgine?
This is Georgine.
Well, hey, Georgine. This is Dawn Kavanaugh and Pam Coppola from APQS Long Arm Quilting Machines. I have some news for you. Yeah, I have some news. I have some news for you. Are you?
Heart's pounding.
Your heart's pounding? Well, I'm hoping it's an exciting day because we're here to tell you you are the winner of the great APQS Long Arm giveaway.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! You're kidding.
I am not kidding. I have Pam here as my witness.
Oh my God, I have been entering so many times and thought it was just such a far reach. Oh, I am so excited.
Surprise.
Is it okay to cry?
You can cry.
Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm just shaking inside.
Oh, that's
this will
awesome.
This is fabulous.
Do you have some quilts you can maybe get done?
I have probably 5.
5? Awesome.
5, yes.
That's awesome.
I do t-shirt quilts.
Oh, great.
That's what I do, and so it will make everything so much easier because they're so big and they're so bulky, and I've wanted to do so many specialty things. I just can't do it with my normal sewing machine, so this is fabulous. Oh my God, I won. I can't believe it.
You have won a Millennium.
I won.
You did. You won.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Can I go home now? I don't have to stay at work anymore.
Well, you're going to have to take that up with your boss, hon, but no, we're excited to let you know that.
So what do we do next? Do I get to come see you? How do we do this?
Well, you know what? Absolutely. In fact, you can come take a class from me. We're going to get you all set up, but probably the best thing to do, Georgine, will be let you take your breath, catch your breath. One of us will hang up, give you a call back in a little bit, and we can iron out all the details. How's that sound?
Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
You're very welcome.
Oh, my day just got so much better. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
We'll talk soon.
That sounds great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you believe it how excited Georgine was? She just won a Millennium quilting machine complete with an overhead lighting system valued at $19,695. Georgine of Scottsbluff, Nebraska, congratulations. Be sure to watch for our next APQS Long Arm giveaway because who knows, we might be calling you.